got this as a snack, but came out it's too big. So I couldn't sleep on the train on the airplane. So I didn't sleep much, and then arrived really early. But I'm okay. Excited for the day. Because this is quesadilla. You have to cut it. Okay. 食べてないよ。食べてないよ。We had like a breakfast in 3 a.m. 食べる？ケサデラ。ピザっていうか、ピザ。
メキシコ版？
そうだった、メキシコの
メキシコで働いていいよ。
メキシコで働いてるんやった、彼女。That's a meal? Well, now it's 11:30? Yeah, so close meal.
今日朝さ、シドニーのさ、バス乗って向こうに家があって、なんかバスに1時間かかってどこで出てしまった。
ただ直してないだけじゃない？なんかセービングスとかあるから結局パチッてないよな。いつかの時期で
7時半に乗ってたけど、7時半に乗って8時40分。
ただーん、はい、会話。
で、俺らしない。
そう、コネクションのっけ？
これ大丈夫かなって。俺普通にでも冷静に時計で見たら白い
It says 5G。
時間もあって。
何やろ？
ここら辺。
マジックや。
That's good. I struggle to set up the SIM card, so まだもう一個あるもん。
これ全然腹くんじゃない。
薄い。
でも重たい。Hi Kyle. So we're gonna just go walk around this shop. Enjoy our day one.
ユーの方が食べとると思ったら出したの。
全然違うんだよ味。どっちが？
そういうの苦手。
そうだけど、マイルド。
私もいつも好き。Oh, that time is in Japan time. Right now it's 11:30. Ohio satellite. I'm in Australia. This Guzman Gomez. I was so worried when I go to customs because we bought like in Korea. After I end the streaming, I end the stream. We bought some snacks. We found the brownie and then the nuts, honey nuts, like a famous Korean snacks. And then when I was writing down the the paper for the customs, there's like the line that like, are you bringing to Australia any like nuts or seeds or like those things? And I wasn't sure like if I'm allowed to bring that. I thought it's okay to bring snacks, but it literally said not. And then I didn't want to pay anymore. So I said yes. Yeah, I said yes and then talked to the custom people to double check because they said if I put yes, like they said declare. I didn't know the word declare, but I guess like to like approve, like kind of like to tell, like a truth. And they're gonna say yes or no, right? And there's like a no problem. So
子供の野菜何食べれるみたいな書いてある
good.
ネギ豆
スナックエンド
スナッペンの
Yeah. So I didn't. I was okay.
スナッペン
スナック
どうやって
Let them know.
スナックエンドスナックエンドかスナックエンド
Not friend.
スナックやん
どうやと思った
Yeah. So didn't have any problem with customs. And yeah, I just talked to random OG that was sitting beside me, and then asked OG some questions because some of the words in that like custom paper was like too difficult for me. And I didn't have any internet to Google too. So I was like, what do? I don't know. I don't understand this word.
いつも存在する
Then I just talked to the OG beside me and excuse me, can you please explain what this means? I forgot what was the word. It's like a disease, I think. Oh, if you are not an Australian citizen, do you have any? Do you have tuberculosis? Tuberculosis? And I didn't know that word.
だから暑いんか
暑いあったかい
Hi, iced coffee. 食べよう。
お腹いっぱいけどちょっといざって言われてユーナのこの間さ
そうそう
クリスマスの時さあれはこれ、
And then he said,